good morning, good morning, good morning. Just a second here. I'll move my mic. 23rd, is that what today is? I think so. All right, I think we are good to go. Sweet. Kind of wait for price to calm down here. I don't want to take any big swings just yet. We'll see if we can catch a couple of pullbacks, but not a whole lot happening here. I'll wait and see. New highs being made. Let's find out. Oh yeah, let's hang out for sure. We got a buy signal, and gosh dang, I missed it. If this thing pulls back a little bit, I'll jump into it. Monster signals. Here, and now here. That's awesome. I have literally shorted into that. My apologies. Shit, I went to. Got our little monies back. I'll take that. Brother, why? Give me 1 second here. Gotta check something. Yo, look at my ugly face for a second. I apologize. save that, and then we need to check it out. All right, we're good to go. Good day on the other side here, up 14.56. Nicely, we took one massive trade. It was a long, and it happened here. We took basically this long in here and just rode this up. I have the system disabled because it could take a second trade, and I can't violate the rules of my funded futures 50% to get funded. So we'll handle that as it comes, but solid trade there. And then what was I going to do? Oh, yeah. I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. Why are they not firing is the real question. Doesn't make any fucking sense. Let's go long right here. Stop loss will be 6 points. See if we can catch this a little rise back up above where we were, like kind of in here. Almost. And there it went. See if that's the right spot. Oh, shoot. Thought I had that. Didn't. Did not. All right, I'll be right back. Let me get my actual water going. it's trash day. I gotta take my trash out, so I'm gonna do that really fast. But I think I like this short right here. Let's see if I was right, or if it's trash, like what's in my hand. Let's see. 3-point stop, not much. Let's see if I can get this right and get price get down here. Oh, okay. Holy cow, $50. So not much, but like holy cow, you know. All right, right back. Okay, here we go. See if we get a take profit 4 hit here. Man, we cannot get our spots at all. Nothing. ATR's at 12. That makes sense. We have pretty low volume here. On 420. And we gotta lock in. I got no idea, apparently. What a rough week. All right. So a couple of good trades from the VGAP system here. This is our MR system here that runs on TradingView. So actually very different. So TradingView system versus our NinjaTrader system, which I have disabled currently just because I don't want to take any more trades for the day. So really nice here, up $1,400. Super simple, straightforward. And then we have our TradingView system, and they are dramatically different. They are very, very, very much so different in how they behave, take trades, and everything else. One's built for TradingView, and then one's built for Ninja. For automation, it just makes more sense to be on Ninja. The back tests are basically as accurate as you can get. TradingView at times will just kind of guess on some of the fills, guess on some of the data that it just does not have, and typically it guesses right. Like it guesses optimistically. Be the best way to put that. Which is what I don't have for this trade here. We're at like $600 here. Yeah, we should probably just be going long. And so it doesn't make sense to try and automate anything on TradingView, which I did try, at least all the way through, entry and exit. And exit is really the biggest one. I really can't explain. Yeah, I can't explain how they come up with the numbers or anything like that. But the way that TradingView will assume something happens, it will be in your favor. so you keep using the platform is probably best guess. They don't offer tick data, although I did at hold on, let me see. I did at one point buy. I wanted to see. I think I have the tick chart. Yeah, I do. I do have a tick chart. I bought the upgraded TradingView just to see if it would be helpful, and you can only choose between 1, 10, 100, and 1,000 ticks. And so it's not like 1,000 ticks is probably close enough and good enough, but just not exactly what I'm looking for. So it's a wasted 200 bucks, but certainly worth looking at. But yeah, not good enough, I would say. We got to get back in the game here. Let's go sell here. Took the trash out just in time too. Yeah, okay. We got to stop doing that. We're down 1,000 bucks. I think my stop on this account is 1,000. I might have to shift over. Bought ourselves $10. I think my daily stop is 1,000. I think. Or not. Maybe it is the full 2,000. I can't remember. I'm trying to see if it will pop open. I guess not. I guess I have the full 2, I think. Let me see. Trailing. Yeah. Whatever. We'll just scalp until we get another signal if we do. Which I should probably just be on my demo account doing this, honestly, but whatever. But yeah, optimizing a strategy and starting a strategy, running a strategy on TradingView. And this is something I just had to learn the hard way. Like I had a strategy that actually looked pretty good and pretty promising. I think that video is still on the channel. And I just couldn't get anything to match up. Sometimes the trades would match up. A lot of times they didn't. And so it was just one of those things where it was really frustrating. I didn't know what was going on. And then I just kind of had to admit the fact that I probably wasn't going to be able to do what I wanted to do with the account. It just was what it was. So that'd have been a sweet long. But anyway, how's today treating you? My internet in and out. Yeah, I get it for sure. Tony, today's been good. Systems have been pretty good today. My scalping has been atrocious. I'm off again another 3 hours of sleep. I can't figure out why. I am trying to invest in different supplements and they are not working. So we'll see. I got some more to try, but yeah, I can't figure out why I'm just like getting very little sleep at all. It's making no sense to me. It's probably killing my scalping, honestly. But auto is good. We've got 2 accounts of about just shy of 3 grand in those accounts. Whoa, there we go. There's a win. So today's been so far good. Today's been so far good. But my head definitely hurts. Aw. Close. There's really no volume. We really don't need to be out here doing anything. But yes, to reiterate, the VGAPS has multiple systems. TradingView system, so semi-automated. So all of these signals you could have gotten as trigger for, and you'd have been entered as a long, 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 long here, right? And then there's a NinjaTrader version that's fully automated, so long and short, of course, but it also closes the trades out. This will not close your trades out. It will not. Oh shit, I can't do more than 3. Oh, this is down 6. Crawling back. See if we go buy 3 here. Part of me thinks I fucked up, and I did. I was too impatient. We'll wait for that one to figure out what it wants to do. Yeah, if anybody has any sleep recommendations as far as supplements go, I'm all ears. I have tried. Actually, I got them right here. Let me see. So we tried Magteam, magnesium, 3 and 8, which is supposed to be good, but I don't think this is. You're right. I don't think I bought the right one. It's not for sleep, I don't think, but I took it for sleep, and I'm not sure it actually worked at all. I don't want to do it $30 at a time. And then I bought this one, Pure, which I like a lot. Pure. I've taken it before and it worked really well. This is glycinate, magnesium glycinate, and took it 2 nights ago, and it was okay. But again, I woke up at 3 a.m. and just going back to sleep. And then yesterday I had just melatonin delivered in gummy form, and they don't taste that bad actually. But same shit, same thing. I know stress is a big deal, and like yeah, I have that, but I've always like been stressed, and I never really suffered on sleep. So for some reason, it's just kicking my butt, and I don't know why. Dang. There we go. It's down 7. We'll take that. So yeah, if you've got some, and then I did order. Let's go to Amazon. I don't know what I ordered. Like I think I just ordered straight up glycinate or glycine, which is different than glycinate. This is all Chat GPT. So your orders. Let's see. I'll do something else too. Theanine, 20 milligrams. Stress management is what it's called for. And then pure encapsulated glycine. It's supposed to help you stay asleep. So one, melatonin, I guess, to fall asleep, and magnesium to fall asleep, and these two to stay asleep. I don't know, but I've been going on like a month and a half of this, just straight up 3 hours of sleep, and so I'm curious what I'm leaving on the table by not getting as much sleep as I should. There's no way it's not a fill. Honestly, it's probably going to rampage on me anyway, so. Nice, puts us down 4. Well, 270 there. So yeah, drop your recommendations, maybe in the comments or something after this one's over. Happy to listen. Oh, I could add a long there too. I'm a little skeptical of going long when you get this, or going long off of a spike like this. So let's see. I'll delete this off because I want to take a short up here. This is down 3, battling back. Okay. It's down 111. Nice. Battling back. I'm gonna go short up here again. I just don't know where yet. Right there. Nope, could have waited. Ah. 105. Down 240, 230. Tried it, didn't work. We'll wait. Price is screaming. Okay. I'm gonna check one thing really fast. I'm just gonna turn off my trading view on here. I'm gonna check one thing. What's that? I see what you're doing. I got it. Let's go sell here. Oh man, we only made 30 bucks. All right. Okay, price collapsing here. I'm gonna go long right here. I don't love this, but I'm gonna try it. Puts us up 46 bucks. What a whirlwind. We were down 1,084. We ran back up 1132. Nice. Gross profit at 375, but commissions cooked our butt. $46 profit. All right. I think we're at the flow of this now. VGAPs won't give us our trading view VGAPs will not give us more specific, will not give us a trade outside of second deviation. Price is just kind of suspended way too high. Like kind of just gonna hang out and wait. I kind of like a long here. I missed my spots. I'm probably gonna pay for it too. We're not gonna pay for it at all. We're gonna do bad things and get away with it. What a life. What a life. All right, we'll finish up 389. We'll take that for the day. That was the last trade I can take, because if I do the next one, I'll lose the whole shit. So anytime price gets outside of this deviation line here, or down here, which we won't test at all today, I doubt, we're not going to get a trade. Okay, we're not going to get trades lower down in here or above. And the reason for that is price is just way too extended. This is a trend system, and so it's going to go with the flow. And when you're out here, even though today is a rambunctious day, just a nice high quality, nice flying day, as far as where we came from and how we got there, up here is kind of no man's land. We could chill out here. We could absolutely just hang out kind of above here. If we open up the original VWAP that has the 3, like we could easily chill within this region right here and just hang out all day, all the way up. It's very possible. I see us coming back into here and kind of just resting through here. And then if we do break down here, that would be very interesting if price got down into here. So we'll see on that. But I will not be around to see it. We'll see. But anything that's up here, I like reversals. I really do. I like taking a reversal trade up here. My biggest wins so far today have been longs, of course, but this is prime opportunity to go ahead and take a short. You find a high, you just crunch it. Find a high, short it down. This one was a short here, I believe. I believe. Yeah. Yeah. Same thing here. Like this looks very enticing to me. Just take a short, boom, roll it back down. So we'll wait and kind of watch. But from minus 1,000 to plus 300 and almost 400 bucks, we will take that, of course, any day of the week. So minus 1,000, we ran up almost $1,500. Sometimes you just gotta wait and get hot, and you can't be spooked by being down $1,000 or whatever the case is. You got to keep going through it. Sometimes. But my average win is pretty good. 127 versus my average loss being 103. And my biggest win bigger than my biggest loss. Always going to be a day where you win. I'm not recommending that you would ever trade this way. I will not teach you ever how to trade this way because it's very risky and volatile. And ultimately, it's not going to get you, I don't think, the long-term results you're looking for. It's why I use systems. But if you guys are going to join this stream and give me your time, I'm going to be respectful of it. I'm not just going to sit here and, I don't know, twiddle my fingers. Like, I'll take some trades. But it is not how I would recommend trading at all. It's very stressful. It's very hard to do. It's very hard to be consistent. And ultimately, the market can switch on you like a dime, and you don't want to be subject to that. So anyway, we will call it a day for today. We'll be back next week. We'll do the same thing, and we'll rock and roll. I will see you guys then. Have a great one. Peace.